Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Chevy Blazer. Chevy Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to drive in, and decently capable off-road, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.